I've already showcased or demonstrated the capabilities of Assistant API, and the tool that I specifically explored was the tool of Code Interpreter. In this video, I want to showcase another example of the Code Interpreter, and over here we want to push the limits of this particular capability. And the idea underlying is that this is a brief of a solution which is to be built. It's a chatbot which is to be built around ChatGPT, WhatsApp, and Microsoft Dynamics. It's a theoretical idea which you can see over here. And in between the lines that I've talked about what this tool would do, I've talked about different elements which are going to interact. For example, Dynamics 365, ChatGPT. I've spoken of this solution to be configured on Azure. But the idea underlying is that whether we can provide this as a textual input to the code interpreter or assistant API, and then ask us to propose us the solution architecture, and not only propose it, actually draw that architecture for us. So I'll go ahead and create an assistant. For the purpose of simplicity, I'm going to name it an architect, because that's the job of an architect in an organization, is to take the concept and then propose the solution architecture. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to speed up some of the areas. Given the document, can you propose the solution architecture using Microsoft on Microsoft Azure platform? Now, so far, this is a capability which the underlying model can do without the need for code interpreter. So let's go ahead and execute it. Okay, after a bit of a to and fro, it is able to read the requirements and then propose me some of the key elements which are going to be part of the solution architecture. And these are the services which it has proposed: Azure Function, Cognitive Services, API Management, and others. And now, as I provided in the instruction, it is also asking me, do you want to visualize it? And that's where we want to leverage the code interpreter capability to import Python libraries, the required libraries on the fly, and actually build that architecture. Okay, so this is the diagram that it has created for us, but I want to give rise to the notion of is that this may not be a 100% correct representation. And part of the reason is that I have not provided the architectural background or architectural knowledge to that assistant while creating it. But this is a good starting point. And the same activity when run by an architect would take a bit of time. So these tools can give us a kickstart, make us more efficient, and I'm looking forward to what they have to offer to us as software developers, managers, and professionals in the days to come. I hope you like it, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.